Hello lovelies, thank you so much for coming to my channel today again. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. I appreciate you for clicking and waiting till now. Okay, today I will be teaching us on how to make simple packaging of our soap. Okay, you know everything depends on packaging. You know, packaging is the one that leads to the successful business. You might be doing something that is as good as somebody that packages well, and yet you're not getting there. Why? You are not packaged. Okay, so today I will be teaching us a simple way to package, simple and not costly, and yet attractive. Okay, if you remember the soap that we made, nevertheless we made this soap. This one is for the bathing soap. Okay, and this is the laundry soap. Okay, though, so this is it depends. By now you ought to have gotten your stamp. Okay, you ought to have stamped your soap. If that's what you want to do, you can stamp your soap directly, or you print on the packaging nylon you are using. So I'll be using this simple packaging nylon. It's available at every market in your area. Simple. They use it to pack different kind of things. You can use it to pack chin, pack plantain chips, a lot of things. Okay, so of course if you see those ones that are better packed, so you can print on your nylon, on your packaging nylon. Okay, so that if you don't have it on your soap, you have it on your package. At least I believe we understand it. So though this is not printed one, and then this is not, so you can do that by yourself. So simple. So what is the next thing? Make sure you take the sample of the soap you want to use to the market, because the nylons are of different sizes. There are some bigger than this, there are some smaller than this. So if you take your soap nylon to the market, it will help you to get exactly what you want. Okay, so you can see this one now is it can go this way. I can put it here. You can see that it is very big. Okay, so it's advantageous to take your nylon to the market, your soap to the market. But you can see this one, it will go well with it. It will enter it very well. So I have this my packaging nylon, that's why I'm using it to describe. So all you need to do is remove the seal here and then seal it. You are good to go. Look at it. If you see this and this, you are likely to want to go for this. If you see this and this in the market, you are likely to go for this. Okay, and there is nothing to lose there. Your packaging nylon fee is already attached to your product, so there's nothing to lose. So you can just go ahead and do the same to those ones too. Okay, if today is the first time of coming across my, please just keep saying thank you in the comment section, and then of course like it. Please do like it. I appreciate you. Please do like it, so you can go on and on like that and package your soap. Please do like it and share it. Share it. Okay, share it for me, and then God bless you. I will keep praying for your business. I keep praying for your business, because as you are sharing my videos, you are making more people to look at it, more people to watch it, more people to love it. So I will keep praying for you. Just let me know how much you have shared it, and I will keep praying for you that your own business will also grow. Isn't that good? Do me, I do you. Okay, so you can see that this one is a bit bigger. So that's why I say we should take the measurement of the soap we need to the market and then get it. So it's the same way we do it. If you get the size of this one, it's good. Okay, you can go on and on like that and then package your soap. Okay, and then for those of us that are yet to buy my ebook, what are you waiting for? Please go do buy the ebook. I have so many recipes there you can still do on your own. Some of the other ingredients you can use with your soap, where you can get your soap chemical. Okay, and if you have advanced on how to make, you want to register your soap, why not? There are some addresses there that you can help you. Okay, and of course I check your train. I run online classes, both physical, live training, live session. So you can go on and on like that and package your soap. How about it? Will you please say thank you? Will you please like my video? And let's go. Yes, it's so simple. It's as simple as that. Okay, thanks so much. So you can keep going like it. Who will see this one? I will not want to buy your market. Who says so simple? Customers will come more because I will keep praying for you as you watch my video, as you share my video, as you subscribe to my channel. God bless you. I keep praying for you. Your business will keep going up. It will not fall down by the power that is in the name of Jesus. God bless you. See you in my next video.